Hi friends, welcome to our channel Hamar Desh. My name is Parth and today I am going to tell you about first aid kit. So to make a first aid kit, you can take a cardboard box or a plastic box and then put some A4 size sheet or any white sheet you can put and make the symbol, this one, red symbol, so that you can remember that this is your first aid box. And then write here ambulance number and your family doctor number. So the first thing is antiseptic. Dettol or Savlon, you can take any one of them. We use Dettol to clean our wounds. And next, medicated cotton. First we have to take some medicated cotton, dip in this and clean our wound. So why we use medicated cotton? We use medicated cotton so that it is germ free and it is medicated. So we use the medicated cotton. And now antiseptic powder. We sprinkle it after cleaning our wound and then we sprinkle this medicated powder. We sprinkle it so that our wound should dry more faster. And then band-aid. We use this to, after putting this medical powder, to just cover it so that it dries more faster and it should be clean. So we use this. And now band-aid. When we get small cuts in our finger or thumb, that time we use this. And now scissor. I use this for band roll to cut after rolling. And now Glucon-D. Its flavor is good and when we are tired, that time we can drink it. So we use this. And now electron. So we also use this. Its flavor is not so good, but it is very good medicine. And now Jandu balm. When we feel headache or when our hands are paining, that time we can put this. And now tablets. So fever tablets. When we have fever, that time we can use this fever tablets. This is gastric tablet. And this is painkillers. These are the painkillers. And this is vomit tablet. So if we don't remember the tablet name, that time we can take any paper and just wrap it and write its name. Loose motion tablet. Allergy tablet. These are antibiotic tablets. this is for fever. And this is for cough. When we cough, and that time we can take this. Eno. In gas time or acidity, you can take this. Eno. Puller. If any small thorn or small piece of wood went inside our finger, that time you can just pull it out with this puller. And now one of the most important thing is thermometer. In this situation, to check our temperature, body temperature, we can use this thermometer. Sanitizer. To clean our hands, that time we can use this sanitizer. But after putting sanitizer, we should not go near fire because it is highly flammable. And we should also have an extra mask. In this situation, an extra mask is very important. So these were the things that we should keep in our medical box. You can also keep any of your tablet or medicine that you take. So then if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel Hamar Desh to see more interactive videos. Thank you.